student, today we are going to perform an interesting experiment on soil. We will perform an experiment to check the water holding capacity of different soil sample by percolated methods, in which we are going to use the waste water bottle. During this corona period, the things which are available at home, we will use that things to do this activity. This is an practical of class 12 bio. To determine the water holding capacity, materials required for this practical, we have to collect the three types of soil. Number 1, sandy soil. Number 2, loamy soil. Number 3, clay soil. And in this practical, we will take waste water plastic bottles. This is the sandy soil. We measure it, the things which are available at home, and put it into this bowl. So it is sandy soil. Now we will do the same activity with the help of loamy soil. We measure it and put it another bowl. The third type of soil, that is the clay soil. We will measure it and put it into the another bowl. In this activity, we use this bottle. So with the help of scissor or with the help of knife, we cut it in such a way. Okay, and this is the sandy soil. We put it here in front of the sandy soil, and the same activity we will do with this, invert it in the inverted manner. And third, the clay soil. This is the upper portion of the bottle, and the lid we make the hole with the help of needle or with the help of nail. Put in such a way, right? So we have the three bottles, waste water bottles. We used these three bottles for doing this activity, and also we add some color in this water so that we can easily this colored water will be visible in this bottle. Then the third step, we add sandy soil in this pot, and the another loamy soil we will add in this bottle, and the clay soil and the clay soil. Now again we will measure the water in this pot so that the equal amount can water we will use it. 1, so just now you can see the percolation rate started in this bottle. Okay, and here just you can see one or two drops are there, and in the third bottle no percolation started, right? So we have to wait it for 5 minutes. As the soil gets wet, the water trickles down into the bottles. After 5 minutes, we will watch it. We can see the water collected in the sandy bottle. I mean to say A bottle. It has the maximum water. And in loamy, you can see yourself that the amount of water is less than the sandy soil. And in the third, that is the clay, it has the least amount of water. So the percolation rate through a column, the amount of water collected in this bottle is maximum, that is the sandy soil, and then the loamy soil, and the least amount of water in case of clay soil. So we can also say that clay soil has maximum water holding capacity and the sandy soil has minimum water holding capacity. This is an practical of class 12 bio, percolation rate. So in the last I want to clarify you what is percolation rate. Percolation rate through a column of soil is directly proportional to the size of the particles. Sandy soil, the particle of the sandy soil is bigger, so it has the minimum water holding capacity, so that the water can easily passes through the through this soil, sandy soil. And in case of clay soil, the particle of the size of the clay soil is very small, so the water holding capacity is maximum, and in which sandy soil the water holding capacity is minimum. But the percolation rate of sandy soil is maximum and the percolation of soil of clay soil is minimum. Thank you.